On September 16, 1978, a 7.7 magnitude earthquake struck the city of Tabas in eastern Iran. The death toll was reported at more than 1,100,000. The epicenter was 400 miles southeast of Tehran at a depth of 42 kilometers. Iran's southern border lies on an active fault line. It's a mountainous region where many small magnitude earthquakes occur frequently. This particular earthquake was felt in 2/3 of the country.
Most buildings are not as safe as they could be in Iran. People can check their foundations to see if they're either outdated or damaged. If you find the foundation to be damaged, you could either contact an engineer or a contractor to replace or repair it. A good idea to do would be to create a grab-and-go bag containing important documents such as copies of identification and insurance, a list of emergency contacts, photos of belongings for insurance claims as well. Overall, knowledge of earthquakes and better frames for home and buildings should be reinforced along at-risk areas in northeastern Iran.